Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on how to unpack and set up your new EU1000i or EU2000i Honda generator. The EU1000i weighs approximately 29 pounds and the EU2000i weighs approximately 46 pounds. Here is a list of items you will need to set up your new Honda generator. A clean gas can with fresh gasoline, a quart of SAE 10W30 motor oil, a small funnel, some rags to wipe up any spills, and a flat-tip screwdriver. Read the owner's manual to learn how to use your generator safely and take full advantage of its features. Register your generator online at powerequipment.honda.com. Lift the generator out of the box and place it on a level surface. Every Honda generator is started and tested before it leaves the factory. After testing, the gas and oil are drained prior to shipping. Finding a small amount of residual oil or gasoline is normal. Honda recommends using Honda genuine parts for all Honda products. Remove the maintenance cover and dipstick. Use a small funnel to add 10W30 oil to bring the oil level to the upper limit of the oil filler neck. When the oil begins to run out of the filler neck, the oil level is correct. Reinstall the dipstick. Wipe up any spilled oil and reinstall the maintenance cover. Now you can remove the yellow warning tag on the starter grip. Warning: gasoline is very flammable and the fumes are explosive. You can be burned or seriously injured when refueling. Always refuel your generator in a well-ventilated area with the generator stopped and away from any source of flames or sparks. Fill the fuel tank to the bottom of the red fuel gauge with fresh gasoline from a clean container. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Tighten the fuel cap until it clicks and wipe up any spills before you start the generator. If you have an EU1000i, the fuel cap will not click when tightened. Do not use E85 or any fuel containing more than 10% ethanol. Before starting your generator, be aware that engines emit poisonous carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas that you cannot see or smell. Carbon monoxide gas can rapidly build up to dangerous levels in enclosed or partly enclosed areas and seriously injure or kill you. Whenever you run your generator, make sure it is located outside, far away from any doors or windows. To start the generator, turn the choke on, open the fuel tank vent, make sure the eco throttle switch is off, and turn the engine switch on. Lightly pull the starter grip until you feel resistance, then pull briskly away from the generator. Several pulls on the starter grip may be required to start this generator the first time, or any time it runs out of gas. After the generator starts, open the choke. Allow the generator to run for 2 or 3 minutes before connecting any appliances to it. Turn off or disconnect any appliances before turning off the generator. To stop the generator, simply turn the engine switch off. This concludes the video on how to unpack and set up your EU1000i or EU2000i Honda generator. Refer to the owner's manual for more detail on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us at powerequipment.honda.com.